The breast need the different kind of type. So Charlotte one is for one, and I also know a sad and I want to defend the Charlotte. What to make us say what bar was sad we need to a friend said no now the bed judging the bride price into what what's it or yeah papa penny or you'll be at full p edin chipam and most of the time no preach like a twice winter and say okay be we have a way of deciphering things. Okay, bibisa na yenti ase a different cry. Until was you make the woman feel that she's not enough.
Former TV employee, Bridget Otu, and they were Babontin, Ababa Becky Canadian, as well Becan Bosun Sem, they are chair suffer Yan as a prophet Kofi Odru, they fan and Sem Kayabia or Becaya, Yenia Beanema means to say, Uncle Ye Amfa Amano. Now Mobekaya prophet Kofi Odru Babontin, in Sembi Bebe to a year Aja SM, Ma Womo Enufu Atieguno. Omun deserve more than 200 Ghana cedis as their bride price. I just say, Ban say, ye child omutiri and son as a omutira diam. Anyone say a group 200 cedis. Anyone such as in Sassen, no may be a camel, name the new Fujina so edie. Say a bomo cadia or no, Jitum say, young boy, a young cabadiatia wood ye. Nipan was sepe muebi into a moon, ya said, your boy a year a cacassia bia a year. Now I didn't say we bet to Jan, do on any edge ye pan say the work and a no pan because a man one edriabu, a bimuso edible to a drama you say, and yellow pan so and matches any apostle, I demand pempo at a train who el command muti a apostle in once more dear to jam. Now, a year former maker a year employee demati between Bridges Otu and Simi Uncle Ye Amfa Amano etiquette to name. Ni Facebook post so matches will also so a coco chitre a year and same emu. Now, acquire no name summer what they to a year a jar in your say. Fallen breast is not as a result of promiscuity. Stop politicizing women's body. You have a mother, a sister, a wife. Remember that when you open your mouth or pick your phone to post rubbish, we any a year in summer what they to a year a jar. Or catch a year prophet Kofi Odu. Say on kind, say or mammy or a year nearby or a year 80s or Bab and say about can't a year some man or Fafuna can be my name can't and so much as a Nyansa anything any one brand of me can't sell my Nyansa it will now say posting rubbish medium and ya say Ghana for ever fun. Now in same way dear just a good one about one to say the Bridget are candidate a no conswa and because of for a new console casasa and was now also an just na Mosrano Suntina said you said ma adwini enchim fa so na ka de wupe bia na na bi no nso hu ne se their Bridget Eka no enye ne kwan so a eno ne essence oya so for eye bia Bible say fa ni die ma die ni die ese no enti se wa castle se wan kan ye kwampu enye sa kwan so ene wo se won fa embra ememeto eye abonti na ebusia for ensem we die menkwa mentimi entina so na essence benu eso a emia enti no mato nsa dia frame ankasa nua ba ewa ha na ekua broni ba kope ono ewa ha ma me no ebetwetwe eye enkomenti kan ho ani gbura ensem no emu ni aba no akwa mi bi abokodi
Nyankopon.
o ho ya fedie
That's a sad one.
yo we dey gbura eye ensem no mu tewtew na cheze ye fa ensi na o hwe eye ekwan a Yeniaba a Bridget Otu eba abonten ebebe reply ye papa na so wodi ne nsem emetu de because in so man mu de obi etimi che na adwen wo democracy amamu na ye vote obi etimi che na adwen na na dwinche enimu na ebi nsusu se enye ne kwan so a eno no ebi nsusu hu ne se de o kan ne de mfunso bia enimu wo nsusu wa dwinche fan se bi mu enesen
Because the BBCBI right and wrong. Sana always they can say everything is right or wrong depending on whoever is judging. And the best started from the part where Sanama for me, may I agree with those people who can say a year upon a pathway with Papini more so ye so for the day can who be here pass a Bridget D any D every man nothing go as I'm not about can go bet me I can decide but say not or go about it a bit of insult to the man. I'm sure say obey me I can't. I didn't in a way sanka entity offending the man in the first place. But oceans also and your car and also right.
Okay.
Well, just that the way or the car there is a question mark there. But as I'm not kind cannot answer I don't know. And there was what mean judge oba because of breast na asag dinti. Ana enyo oba bia or what sagged breast ana or yet sebi shower na say one memma da na oma memma emia or no and no mean for it. Now also breast lankasa you will different types and sizes. So now or more naturally or more near your friend Charlotte for no so my candidate. So I say and I don't know those are the sagged breasts. And what's okwa butuenu now she butuenu won say butuenu omuni that particular breast and I'm coming to me I didn't say I don't know one the all those that type of breast. But in the case where butuenu say even nyoba no kra so o hwe ono kan no so kra on sha bra no kra bo se na say as a hen breast ni dey different kind of type. So Charlotte 1 is for 1 and also no na sad that want to dey friend Charlotte ni what mean ka say wo mo ba o sad we ni ti no a friend say no na the be judge the bride price nto kwa what say oye papa penimu or you be a nkofo pi edi na chipam and most of the time no o preach here like a twa so muntino or crowd and why so for now our crowd sano in some how can and amount for edi asem and on be ejuma inti this is you bringing down the marriage of possible material materialistic make a materialistic like material friend is saying wife so what I say inti yes say now say bread amount for progress and so I say in a way say those people that have the natural way now maybe they have married partners or say people that potential men are they are ready to marry these people or manner this is the kind of person that listens to you or share the girlfriend no bisana but now raising a whole lot of questions. Into Obana and KB or the Grace Web Brain and Warrior or the Grace Web Brown who life because of one year work and into Nubosena is MP by if you baby.
Okay, now many about me mean chawan, not just a young papa summer or kind, a bit me I say will be a what this me I say will be chance of a year breakthrough.
And Americano, a bit me I say in my pin. Say Obi kwa rather than maybe a fresh, your fresh I was me say sad we la na afi ma je nti nka me fe nka enye na ma adwe no questions enye bia na ma adwe mo so banya ba e na afi de ma adwe akwa ko esno obi a mother there normally no e ya na breast I just want to this firm oil we na omunya this firm breast but and now more breastfeeding omunya firm breast but omo breastfeeding normally no e ya na esage.
Okay.
Yes. It's almost different, but in the case where Obana and water na ubesa ukasa se moina afide obema no na adwa fakuti so okay na say papa no nyo kana be no kra na say ma boka o and sometimes we no kra the this thing baba no go say na be ma no asati di obana and speak so na nyesa so what I say but this is manager na say this is where I would have to Bema this human to know say he lives by it, he goes by it, and it becomes an insult to the wife. An innocent woman on that you understand? So Makasa near British or kind of car, no choir because would mean sure by ever JJ yes, ever so say if the woman is say proper and I say on your proper, you understand? Your kind of cannot pass, but just say the question here, they say, or the problem here is a one fact in the because there was so many ways that she could have gone by this thing. And I'm raising concerns. No.
Okay. Now, when the question about you maybe editor a year as year, I was say because of a year statement now, Papa Miki and Bridget Casa or Becas and a right upon because Anka Ebeme maybe I'll go through so emotional be as in say one no said enough which is will be there a natural one. A year natural internal will be meaning say maybe Baba Minche when you wanna say it's a no problem and maybe no warrior aka a year a chebema maybe no mania a year a dream kabi anase tirimupo bi e wo mu timumpo se mu krampo nti ebe mo ma twon mo afiri mema ho ama aware mpo nye ebinum akọ no enu hu ne se ye no kre
me gidi pa because one say there are certain things about out and in your was a woman we are emotional and the way we decipher certain things and say oka bibia we have a way of deciphering things oka bibisa na yenti ase a different cry until you say you make the woman feel that she's not enough yes for the person until ebe man change assign possible relationship Nyobekoma about who the man say trade and one yes. And also as part and I feel so these are the things that people like this bring about now pushing a mappy into doing the things that should not be done. For instance, Obeko this now afe obese obenya firm breast into Obeko surgery now this silicone way no there was because this is what you have made it known say this is the expected thing of a woman and these are the things that men should expect from a woman. If the woman is having a natural sagged breast it means that there is questions to be asked into woman if you say any society me hwe me de na me so me power really na ense me bi efa ho so na bibi measure me so what I say yeah so na mo kan say man ya warrior e expiring date o hwe ni day ni time aka ebe mo say and then say massage breast nintina and all ba want nintina no because this is the impression you are creating it okay and then me hwe me breast no so na sag ni the end name say nintina a friend is saying omoko inti necessary me bibi mfa wo na afi wako that complications whatever inti we okono okoye na say tinsudu ameka tinsudu let's say if problems happen right if problems come up later let's say yawo pastor no na why initiate that kind of and it's going to be your mistake so what I say and that's the Bible talk so inti certain things do even as a pastor, when you are saying it, you have to be cautious. And Kofi Odo is someone that I really respect, or Reverend
Prophet.
He's someone that I really respect. And bringing this kind of thing up, some of the things that he says, like it makes sense. And no, so what he said. But sometimes I don't know if it's just for the trend, say or per se, or make you just a case and now I really think that certain things be about bringing up, which I agree with but it's also say certain things be about bringing up I said or sit it down, not digest that particular topic and stand our bringing that information out no all thinking about the possible effects on the whole public and not just the trans and mechanism
Ekeruni wakasa bebre pa yen common ye kasi yedi eye echa ye beku deep ye di esi ewo aha no se afutu ben na wode ebema ye mabunu no any ebiem so how are you responding to ye truth and short aya na eba social media ezo
yeah meka and say meka say anyway is something that I live by most of the time say you should know whose opinion matters to you. And your obia keke na ubechina na some council you react on it. They be that you should know whose opinion matters to you. Anna when Gana did be o atare no yes she na tenten o she na tenten we ka say o she na tenten anso bi beka nti be proud of who you are, be proud of the way God has created you. Me na mo no bi aka say friend say no big boobs na me wo me hips society it doesn't match up. People will say things man share ye get my phone me draw yes I said anyway I'm proud of these days. I don't make factory. I'm very proud of it. I don't know what to so I don't make factory. So I think that people should be proud of the way God has created them and you wouldn't have this inferiority complex anymore.
God bless you so much. Everything for na ha na brother my kwan amedi enkomo twetwe no ese ye nua ba no akasa bebre ye behia se ye nso ye de yesa anamonto no ebedi dwuma na ebeboa ye pa subscribe to the channel no so wonye ya na ebimia adoma no so se de be enya upload video bia won so wenya notification our phone laptop and asa tablet eso betimi so follow ye ye IG page and your Twitter page so @gh_ekeskapa any media ne de me ne ekwa and then the teaching a encommodation, the sun, Eddie, a share,